Red light's on.
It's on. Well, it went off. That's flashing. So
Oh my gosh. It's the waterfront property we've always wanted.
I mean, you can just see it flowing across there.
I don't remember it being like this even when we had all those hurricanes.
I mean, it's been. I mean, it's pouring. Look at the ditch across there. See the
I
water?
know. Well, look over by the lean-to.
Yep.
That was never standing water before.
I'll bet you there's water pouring into the under the door of the barn.
Yeah.
The whole front of the property, the ditch, or the lower area at the front, right along the road where the ditch used to be before we bought it. The water is just flowing and going that way. All the ditches are
Wow.
full. Fork Road is covered with water.
This is just unbelievable.
And when I was coming down the driveway, just all the water on the south side of the driveway, all the way, and it's flowing across there where we got the pipe under the driveway.
You might throw the breaker to the plug because if that plug is in water, the connection to the RV.
Yeah, I know. I think it's okay because it's up on the concrete.
Wow, this is just unbelievable. I want to go over here again and see the. Is this aimed like it's looking straight forward?
Yeah, pretty much. Ooh, that breeze is cool. Well, maybe not to you, but I've been out and I got wet.
Wow.
And here comes the wind now.
This is just unbelievable.
Ceiling fan's turning and the fan's not turned on.
I know it.